how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and open the story that you want to share to WhatsApp. Make sure that in order to share your Instagram story to WhatsApp status, you need to add the story to Instagram beforehand. So once you have opened the story that you want to share to WhatsApp, you will see the option for share on at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the WhatsApp option you see there and you will be led to WhatsApp directly. So tap on the send button you see there at the bottom right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the story has been sent to my WhatsApp status. So, this is how you can share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.